breaking down the phrase, break down walls. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, break down walls. This phrase is not just about physical walls, but it has a deeper, metaphorical meaning. Let's dive into understanding this expression and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Before understanding the metaphorical meaning, let's first look at the literal interpretation. To break down means to demolish or destroy, and walls, as we know, are physical barriers. So, literally, it means to demolish walls. This could refer to a physical action, such as during construction or renovation. Now, let's explore the heart of this phrase. Metaphorically, break down walls means to remove barriers or obstacles, especially those that prevent people from communicating and understanding each other. These walls can be prejudices, misunderstandings, or even social and cultural barriers. Let's see some examples to better understand how to use this phrase. 1. In personal relationships, after years of misunderstanding, they finally broke down the walls between them and rebuilt their friendship. 2. In professional contexts, the new team-building exercise helped to break down walls and improve communication among colleagues. 3. In social and cultural contexts, her speech about unity and acceptance was powerful in breaking down walls of prejudice and bias in the community. When you use this phrase, it's important to contextually align it with scenarios of overcoming barriers. Remember, it's a powerful expression that conveys the idea of creating understanding and unity. Use it to emphasize progress, reconciliation, or overcoming challenges in communication and relationships. Break down walls is a versatile and meaningful phrase in the English language. It's about overcoming barriers, creating understanding, and fostering unity. We hope this video helps you in using this phrase confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.